Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Life with Ola and I am Ifeoluwa Temishola. If you're new to this YouTube channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here with me, and if you're already part of this beautiful family, welcome back again. And for those who just joined us, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. We are still on our how to get your dream job / starting a career series, and today I'm going to give you tips on what to do while you're waiting for that career to come, right? And this is me also referring you back again to my what to do while waiting video. It's like a continuation of that video. So I can understand the feeling when you don't have things to do, and then that feeling of boredom when you're waiting and all of that. I'm just here to also to remind you to make good use of your time. And if you have a phone, you can access this YouTube video, you can access Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You have so many things that you can do while waiting for that opportunity. You can start developing yourself, and I'm going to be sharing sites that can help you build capacity and develop yourself. So in our previous video we spoke about getting yourself ready for the opportunity and having your CV ready, having to wait until that time before you start getting all these things ready. Opportunity can come at any time, like we said, and you as a person, you have to literally be very, very ready, just so that when the opportunity comes, you don't just catch your own unawares, like you are already set for it, right? So let's talk about how to develop yourself, get yourself ready for the opportunity, how to build that skill set for that opportunity. So for those who already have a dream career, if you already have a career path that you want to pursue, things you're going to be doing while you're waiting for the opportunity is to find online courses, free online courses to take while you're waiting. It doesn't take so much of a data, it doesn't take so much of a time. There are very short courses that you can take online. I can add to your CV, because in your CV session they are part of training and training and certification, so you can actually put it in that side, and this will actually give you an edge over all other candidates who are applying for the same role as you. So it's something that I really recommend that people do, taking courses online, no matter how short it is. Professional courses that are recognized, right? And it also expose you to the position that you're filing for, right? It gives you the theory aspect of that position. So it's something that I really recommend to people. I'll be listing out free sites that you can actually get free courses from, that you don't have to pay anything at all to be certified in your career path. Although at some point you might have to go for the advanced professional courses where you'd have to pay, but before you get to that point, get yourself ready with all these free online courses. Is not a bad idea at all. So I'll be listing them, and also I'll write them right for you to see. One of them is Udemy. It's spelled as UDMY, Udemy online courses. Udemy has lots of courses that would help your career path. Are you going into administration, logistics, HR, project management, a whole lot, IT courses? Udemy is a place that actually got you covered. So yeah, Udemy, I'm going to be putting the links as well right in the description box, so please do well to check it out. And yeah, and another one is Coursera also have lots of free online courses that you can take and get yourself busy with it. Whatever, even if you do communications, and then let's say you have this passion for communications, you could just check Coursera communication courses. It will bring the background courses, it will be the professional courses, whichever one, and then you just take them. This actually, like I said, it gets you ready for your future career path, your dream career path, right? So Coursera, we have edX, we have Skillshare, we have MIT. MIT is MIT Open Course. We also have Alinsin. On edX, we have free online courses by Harvard, MIT, and other universities. So even if you're going for masters, let's say you're not ready to start a career yet and you want to further in your education after uni, let's say you want to go for masters and all of that, and then you're waiting for your application to come through, what you can do is also go through courses in this website. It just gets you ready for, you know, your future. You have Skillshare. It's a sleek learning platform with an equally well-designed app. So it's an app for Skillshare, right? Just check your app store instead of downloading all those games that we play all the time. Why don't you just download an app that will definitely add value to you, right? So Skillshare has an app on App Store or Play Store, whichever one. Just check it out for online courses. We have LinkedIn Learning. Fun fact, right? You don't have to have a professional background to have LinkedIn. You can actually use LinkedIn to sell yourself, and a lot of employers on LinkedIn that are looking for, you know, they're looking for competent employees, right? So just open your LinkedIn account. Also download LinkedIn and LinkedIn Learning. In LinkedIn Learning, there are lots of free courses that you can actually find that can add value to you. So that's also one thing that you can do. You have Skill Success. I've actually never used this before, but then I'm seeing that it has over 2,000 video based course, and they're designed to help you advance in your career. So yeah, I think this will also be a very good platform for you to learn. Khan Academy, I've heard about this a lot, but I've never used it before. I read that it's partnering with like many post-secondary schools abroad, and it offers a usable, well-organized interface. So yeah, so for those that are actually going for another degree or masters, Khan Academy is somewhere that you can actually just, you know, while waiting for admission to come through, you can just go through this site, go through your course study, and just spend time doing it. And another interesting one that I actually found, I've not used it before, but I read it on the internet. It sounds very interesting. iTunes U free course. I'm going to put in the odd list, like I mentioned. It's a very convenient place for free online education in iTunes U because it integrates seamless with your iPod or any app-ready Apple mobile device. So if you're an iPhone user, iPad user, whatever, this is for you. You can just we have just the way we have ebook, your book app on your iPhone that is to like just read random books. This one is the one that is actually based on academic books, and you can just download and use it. It's there in your app store. Look for iTunes U. So the tools offers online courses with full lectures, like absolutely free. And then you have the ability to take notes on this site, on this app. Sorry, you have the opportunity to take notes on your lectures and assignments on it. It's actually a very interesting one. I'm actually reading from my laptop, so permit my looking away. So that's it. I'm actually mentioned about 10. I'm going to also write it out for you to see and have it in my description box. So while you're waiting for that opportunity to come, for that job to come through, that admission to come through, this is another thing you can do. Go online, study. It doesn't take, imagine you just dedicating an hour or 2 hours a day to, you know, developing yourself. Like you will never like regret it at all, even if you don't end up following through with that particular career path, right? But you already have knowledge about something, and the knowledge is never wasted at the end of the day. So that's about that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it very useful. Don't wait, like I said, don't wait for things to happen. Make things happen yourself, and this is another way that you can use to make things happen for yourself. Yes, thank you guys for watching this video. Do well to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to patronize Adorn by Ife. My jewelry pieces is from Adorn by Ife, and my earrings as well is from Adorn by Ife. Do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye guys, see you next time. Bye.